welcome to the second video in Mathemagic of patterns. In the first video, we have discussed how to create patterns using Desmos. Now we move on to a very simple but more general pattern, that is pattern of spirals. For that, I create a list. This list is a set of points. They are incremental in nature. Here f is equal to 1 to L, that means set of points starting from 1 and ended at L. Then I fix L, but L is a slider, so L may vary from 1 to 2500. So this list depends on L. Initially, when L is equal to 1, this list contained only 1 point. Using that 1 point, I create an ordered pair. Again, when L is equal to 2, what happened? L is equal to 130. What happened? When L is equal to 130, it starts from 1, 2, etc. and ended at 130. So it's a list of 130 points. Using that 130 points, I create a set of points and I plot it here. I also create another variable, that is D. It's again a slider. It varies from 0 to 10. Now I create an ordered pair of points, that is ordered pair x comma y. Here x is equal to root f cos of 1 plus root 5 by d pi f. Y is root f into sine of 1 plus root 5 by d pi f. This f is taken from the list. If this list contains only one term, it is only a one ordered pair. If this list contains 100 terms, it contains set of 100 points that creates a graph. Now I create the graph initially. This is plot points. You can change the color, etc. To understand the structure, I just zoom out, and now I allow this L to vary. As L varies, it creates a pattern of points. So we call this structure. So this is a wonderful pattern created by this function. This is actually an ordered pair, but it contains cos and sine function. It is better to change the grid into polar. Now the pattern is very nice. Suppose you allow D to vary, it creates different pattern depending on D. For example, we just stick on this D to 6.5. This is a wonderful pattern, but in this pattern there is a simple hide. What is the symbol? To get that symbol exactly, I just fix L is equal to 140. Not 140, 120. This is the swastik symbol. This swastik symbol can be generated with the help of this function, with L is equal to 120 and D is equal to 6.5. Similarly, if you reduce D to 2, we got another pattern. We change number of points to 620 and look into this image. If you want, change the color. I just edit list option, then select, then solid points, color is red, so blue, better to choose this one, then the center point. Picture. This is the arrangement of petals in sunflower. So we can create that arrangement of petals with the help of this small mathematical function and this list. Here this 1 plus root 5 by d with the d is equal to 2 makes some sense. What is the importance of this 1 plus root 5 by 2? This Desmos is a calculator, so we can calculate mathematical functions here. To calculate 1 plus root 5 by d, we just typeset 1 plus root, to get root, square root, sqrt, then 5, then a space bar, close the bracket, by 2. This is 1.618. This 1.618 is also known as golden section ratio. Then from where we get this golden section ratio? We are familiar with Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence start from 1, then add these two numbers, we go 2, then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, etc. Then you take the ratio of 34 by 21. but you can calculate it using this Desmos. Add a function cell, then you need 34 by 21 is 1.619. See, 1 plus root 5 by 2 is 1.618. If you repeat this Fibonacci sequence after 32, then take few more numbers, then take the ratio, then automatically it comes near to 1.618, or mathematically it converges to 1.618. That is the advantage of using this 1 plus root 5 by d here. With the d is equal to 2, it creates this particular pattern. That pattern is created with the help of golden section ratio. Okay. Another important point is a nice function that feels good. Say polynomial expression x square plus y square minus 1 the whole cube is minus x square y cube less than or equal to 0. For the first time, I take it equal to 0. Then we just try to plot it. Before plotting it, you just look into this function. It contains x and y, so it is better to convert our graph into polar system. Click on settings and changes to Cartesian grid. Okay, then you try to plot it. So the heart shape is created with the help of this mathematical equation. Instead of equality, it is better to use less than or equal to. So you got the shaded portion of the heart. Thank you for watching. The next video we will explain how to plot tabular data